Hello guys, welcome to InterviewPro. I have started a new playlist, Learn React with Me, in which I would be covering each and every concept that would help in building a React.js application. And these videos are created with a focus to help you crack React.js interviews. Let's kick off by creating our first React application. This can be done in just two steps. First, you have to install Node.js, and then we will be using a command create React app to create our first React application. Browse for nodejs.org download and click on the first link. You will be redirected to this website, and based on the operating system, you can download the installer. In my case, I am using a Windows machine, so I'll click on Windows installer and this will download a MSI file. Once it is downloaded, just click on this file and this would launch the Node.js setup. Now click on next, accept the terms and conditions license here, click on next, select the path where you want to install the Node.js and click on next, 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 and then click on install. Once the setup is completed, just click on finish. Choose the path where you want to create your first React application. In my case, I am going to create in the desktop. So I'll navigate to desktop and type CMD. This will launch the command prompt. Now, we have to make sure that Node.js is installed properly on our machines. So in order to do that, just type node-v. This would give the version of the Node.js which is downloaded in our machine. So now since we see the version, that means the Node.js installation is successful. And now I will move to the second step where we are going to use a command to create our application. So I will use npx create react app and the name of our application. And I will just say first react app. So create react app command is used to create a folder for our React application, and this create react app command is available via npx, and that's the reason we are using npx create react app. This will download create react app command, and that command will create the first React app folder. Now press enter. So this will start creating a folder for the React.js application. It will install all the required default packages. So once the folder structure is created, you would see this message, and it would suggest to move to the folder which we have created just now. So let me just use cd first React app and hit enter. In order to start the default React application created by the React framework, we have to use npm start. This would launch the default browser at port 3000. So React.js would have a default HTML page where it would display the logo. So our React application is working fine. If you look at the desktop folder, you can find the React folder which we have created. We would look at the folder structure in the upcoming videos. So this is how we can create a React application. If you face any issues during the installation and setup, please comment your queries. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to InterviewPro. and stay tuned for more videos.